it's going to be no icing, waved off at the last moment. Hedman and the crowd can't believe it. So they have to go all the way up the ice, the 200 feet, in the final seconds. And a bad play up high. Palat didn't set it in deep. 10 seconds to go. McCarr fittingly battling for the puck in the corner. 5 seconds to go. Up it comes to the line. Colorado has won the Stanley Cup. The third Stanley Cup in franchise history, the first since 2001, when they beat New Jersey in 7 games. They swept Florida back in 1996, so for the second time in the 3 titles, they win it in the state of Florida. Cale Makar, brilliant, could well be just the 3rd to win the Norris Trophy and the Conn Smythe in the same year. Bobby Orr and Nicholas Lidstrom, the only 2 to pull off that double.
There's not one player in that group whose life just hasn't changed. The dream that you have is through your whole life. There's Eric Johnson in tears, the longest serving Avalanche player. Victory to the Avs.
Eric Johnson, 12 years, longest tenured Denver athlete in the professional ranks.